Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Alexis, and today I'm joined by my brother,
Damien.
It is July 5th. We're doing our fireworks today because we have the whole family. Now, first thing we're doing, while everybody's outside, we're playing a prank. We're in the bathroom, we have Snap Pops. Can you guess what we're doing? Damien should play some now. The toilet snap popping trick. It actually works too, because we just tested it.
I'm gonna give him a little test.
And then when they sit down, the toilet seat pops. And
I'm doing these for reference marks.
oh, they're outside shooting other things off. But I want to get this prank finished.
I'm getting reference points. See how it gets all black?
Yeah.
Now I know where to press them.
Okay, now actually do it. This is the first prank that I've ever actually pulled on my family. I have never actually pranked anybody, even though I've had the intention of doing so multiple times. Hurry up. I'm almost out of filming time, so I need to delete a few things after I get done with this, but oops. As long as the toilet seat is lifted at least a little bit, then we know it'll work for a fact. So, I'll film again and tell you guys what the results were if we actually get anybody, which I know we probably will. And let's just hope that it's like really late in the night so it scares everybody in the house, not just who it was intended for.
I'm gonna flush it now because...
Yeah, flush all the Snap Pops down the toilet that we're not done. Okay. Sizzle.
See? Go back, Sissy. Watch it go. Wow! Anything I never wanted! Look at mountain! Bradley, sit back!
These are foreign.
Bradley, back.
I really wish the phone would focus on the cool, like all the actual
Wow.
stuff that's happening, but it doesn't. Oh, if I dim the light on it, then it makes it a lot better.
And turn off the light. Light's probably the problem. Looks so cool. Lexi, you're gonna block my way.
Sorry, I'm just trying to get a decent YouTube video out of this.
Damon! Leave us alone!
See, now it's actually focusing. Nice.
Wow. Bradley, come look!
Oh god, go down!
Oh! Look! That's exciting.
Get out of the way! It's just a blob of fire, that's all it is.
Green fire?
You're in my YouTube video, sorry, Mom.
What are you doing? Oh boy. I'm gonna watch out, Lexi.
What does it do?
Stop.
Oh.
Bradley,
Yeah, I just want to, you know, freaking give my YouTube viewers a
Where'd it
freaking
go?
seat.
Hold that.
Now all the gunpowder's falling out of it. Dad, get your nipple test.
Whoa.
I don't start the video until it lights, but
Dad, move.
get your nipple chest.
Nice.
No, he ain't stopped my fireworks.
I got serious. Wow.
Do you see from there?
Wow.
Hey,
She wouldn't mind being famous.
I got all my kids on
Wow. Wow, we did this.
Rocket.
You know how to put
How does it go wrong?
And then it explodes into a fire.
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared, you're okay. Fireworks are good.
Called death.
That's what he said.
So much death.
Wow.
all that, but
Here comes another one.
I don't think he said something about it.
Oh, the sparks are hitting me. It kind of hurts.
We got my eye. Got my eye.
Huh?
I already got 30 of you.
Okay.
Now we can see. Is that?
Mine's about done for.
Oh no. Ah! Wow!
Better not light my hand on fire.
Get back! Wow!
Idea!
Yeah!
Dang.
Huh?
Two,
That's the first game.
Three.
Oh, that's the first.
4, 5, 6,
Where is it? Oh.
7, 8, 9.
America! She's the one who ended up getting pranked by our toilet poppets prank. How do you feel?
Very mad at you guys.
That was the point. Thank you for your info. Get out of the way, idiot.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That one.
It shows how many shots are in it.
Wow!
You bring them off the.
These are the ones from your car.
Wow!
And I'm gonna post it.
Thanks
I'm
for
gonna,
the light.
I'm gonna call it Fun Fireworks.
Thanks for the light.
Thanks, it's my flash.
Yeah, do that.
Upside down, honestly. Really?
Wow, look at that, Max.
Yeah.
Is he out? Look away.
Oh yeah, I have enough space now. Yay. Ow!
Yeah, me too.
What?
This hurt.
15.
Oh no, I'm pulling off. Ah! Ow!
I think it needs to quit using my flash. too many brightness. I think that's it.
Alright, I gotta report.
Cool! It looks like water! Phew! That's blue.
Hey, Mom! You want to...
On three.
Oh, the
okay?
smoke needs to go away so I can
One.
do this.
2, 3.
Okay guys, that's all for this video. I'm going to be having another video of fireworks up tomorrow because we're going to an actual fireworks show. This was just what we had at home. We went to Hannibal, Missouri to get them, so if you want to go down there and get some fireworks for next 4th of July, they have a very big selection. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit the big red subscribe button down below, and ring the bell to get notified when I post, which isn't very often, but I'm trying to get more videos in. Bye!